What is up everyone, my name is Abhimanyu and welcome to my channel where I share videos about travel, lifestyle and tutorials. And in today's video, we are starting with a new series called Mastering Composition. And today's topic is the rule of thirds. Let's get started. The rule of thirds. Well, a lot of cinematographers and photographers use this rule while composing their shots, and yet not a lot of people know how and when to effectively use it. Well, in case you don't know, here's a quick definition for you. If you divide your screen using two equally distant horizontal and two equally distant vertical lines, you will divide your screen in 9 equal portions and you will have 4 intersection points. What you do is you can place your point of interest or subject on any of these 4 points, or in terms of landscape, you can divide your screen in the ratio of 2:1 or 1:2. So the main question arises, why use this rule? Well, what this rule does is it helps in creating a dynamic flow in your shot. As you can see right now, I'm sitting on the right side of the frame and the viewer can look at the environment and analyze the setting of the shot where the subject is placed. But let's say I was sitting in the center of the frame. Now I'm the central subject and everything is converging on me, and the viewer can only see me and only analyze what I'm saying and not the environment around me. So right now there is not a proper flow in the shot. As I move towards this side, now you can analyze everything. Just keep in mind, when you have a human subject in your frame and you're following the rule of thirds, just make sure your subject is guiding you in towards the center or towards the inside of the frame. Let's say I was facing that side. Right now, complete portion is a negative space and is somewhat not fulfilling any purpose. But as soon as I look towards this side, you can look at the environment and I'm guiding the viewer towards the inside of the frame. So as you can see right now, I've placed my subject on the 2 intersection points on the right side of the frame, and the subject is looking towards the left side where the whole environment in which he's sitting. In this shot, we have used both the concept of leading lines and the rule of thirds while composing the shot. For a selfie, what I've done is I've placed myself on one of the intersection points, and what I've done is I'm guiding the viewer towards the center of the frame where the whole action and environment is going on. That is, we have crystal clear blue water and a waterfall. In terms of landscape, as you can see, I've divided my frame in 3 portions and filled 1 portion with the land and 2 portions with the sky, where I want to focus on and showcase the drama going on. In this, as you can see, I've divided my frame in a way that I've covered 2 portions with the land and 1 portion with the sky, so that I can focus on everything that's going on in the land. That is, we have green patches of land, and then we have misty landscape, and then we have the sky. For this shot, as you can see, I've placed my subject almost on the right side of the frame and he's looking towards the left side and focusing on what's going on around him. For this shot, what I've done is I've filled 2 portions with the land where I have multiple layers and 1 portion with a bit dramatic sky. So that's it all for today. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what all videos you want to see, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.